What is going on, people? Welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the Rule Coders.
Rule coders.
You said it,
Roof,
Tori,
roof.
brilliantly.
And my
Rawr,
dog.
rawr.
There is a cat. There is a cat nearby, so my dog is going crazy because there's a cat. But we're gonna be good, right? Maybe.
Maybe. Anyway, yeah. Hey, Gagdeb, good to have you.
Oh, hey, Gakteb.
So yeah, let's do the honors and pay our respect to the elders of the past, present, and future, and the custodian of the country. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. All right. So, do you want to choose a letter except S or U?
Except S or U. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
for
3, 2, 1, go. Speak, speak, speak.
G.
That's the one. All right. G, F, E, F, G, H, I. F is the closest. Fill in the ducks.
What is it?
It's feeding the ducks.
Feeding the
That's
ducks.
the name.
Okay.
All right, cool. So, do you wanna do a
Yeah, I'll share my
bit of
screen.
a recap?
Sure. Let's see. Where did we last leave off? Were we working on the 8th? Were we
So,
working?
so we were. I think we were working on the making sure if the board name and passcode, as in if either one of them are wrong, then we just compare the passcode with the hashed value, and then say nope, that's the wrong one.
Okay. So should I open up
Yeah.
the backend?
Do we need a backend?
Or are we going to client?
We would need to implement the functionality of when the board name and the passcode are right. It takes us to the index.html and opens up the board for us. As in, gets the board from the database.
Okay. All right. So we'll go to the client.
Yeah.
All right. Client. All right. I'll share my screen. Okie dokie.
Brilliant.
I wonder if I need maybe did you push the latest URL?
I did. Latest URL probably not. I will give it to you. Just bear with me.
Sure.
This is my Postman, which will be a lot quicker. There you go, and you just have to append board in front of that.
Cool, thanks. Why is it not open in Bash? Why is PowerShell open? That's weird. All right. Let's get the URL. Yeah, that's different. That's weird. Oh, you know what? I'm in the wrong file, actually. My computer is being slow. All right.
What's the bud? What does that mean? Bud.
What?
Jacob said bud. Bud.
Would
But Budh.
Here we go. Oh
Oh.
wait. What? Have I? No, I
Um.
have not. I've not booked my flights.
When you
Man,
plan
they
to
won't give me another
manage to do
boost. They
that.
won't give me a booster, which kind of sucks.
Oh. So in order to exit and enter, as in exit Bali and enter Australia, you need a boost.
No, I don't. But they need. But I was hoping to get one. Um, but I went
So
on
you're not
Tuesday, and they're not giving them right now.
right.
To non-citizens,
So which means
unless you have
that
like a
you.
permanent residency, I think they'll give it to you.
I think so as well. So that would mean that you're not gonna come in until you have a booster.
Yeah, I'm hoping for that. Um,
Jack was asking, can't slip
Probably,
in 20k. 20,
I probably could. Um, but I don't know. Maybe soon. I think there's going to be another push. I'm hoping.
okay, right.
Alrighty.
Hopefully,
Sorry,
man.
losing.
I need to
Why is
brighten up
it?
my screen because I can't see anything. Yeah, now it's better.
Do we get pull here?
Get board functionality. Yeah, get pull.
Kidoki. Ooh, a lot of deletions. That's good. Why is it, my computer is being very slow right now? I don't know why. It's odd.
I know why. I think so.
Yeah. Wow,
I'm not
fetching.
gonna say.
It's still fetching TypeScript.
Wow. I thought
You know,
you already did.
You know what it is sometimes, and I don't know why.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's when we play the music, it like slows down my computer. I have no idea why. But today, in particular, it's very bad.
Actually, how about now? If we just mute it, how about now?
Seems faster. Yeah, it's weird.
All right.
Oh,
Let's just not play the background music then
sorry.
properly.
Yeah, I don't know why today it's a problem. All right. So what we're looking at, let me make sure we're on the right branch too. Get board functionality. Is that right? The branch?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, it's down here in my console. I'm silly. So I think where we last left off.
Yep. Over there, you can get rid of the is passcode valid console.log.
Okay.
Don't need that anymore.
Guys, please. Cats. Freaking cats. Okay, so is passcode valid? And then so that's a boolean, right?
Mm-hmm. So that would probably be like if board names includes board name and is passcode valid. If these both are true, then we we get the board.
Okay. Is
But if
passcode valid?
mhm. So that gets a boolean which is true or false in that.
Okay.
What happened?
Gektev is teasing me about the tarp and my wild animals. Just can't resist the cat. Like, just goes crazy for cats.
Hmm.
Um,
Cats are cute.
they are. I don't know. I
Hmm.
don't know why he goes nuts about it. Can I change this to a const, or is this being used somewhere else?
Uh, just there. And why would you want to change it to a const?
Because we're not going to reassign it to anything else.
Ah,
Like, we're
yeah,
not going to
that makes
update this
sense.
variable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um, so if this is true, then what are we going to do with it?
So if the board name is already in the board names array,
This
and
thing? Okay.
yeah, and is passcode valid is true,
Okay.
then we will get the board. But if any of them is false,
You could
then
just
we
skip
will
this.
open up the alert.
Okay. I'll refactor this in a second. Okay, so you want this and is passcode valid. If this is true, then we're gonna do this, right?
Or how about if we do in a way that we check if any of them are false, then we just jump out of the code, as in don't execute the entire block. Does
Okay,
that
if
make sense?
so we want to check if they're false.
So we want to check if the board name is not in the board
Okay,
name, or
okay. The passcode is invalid.
is invalid. Yes,
Okay,
as in
so this should be.
or no and.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's for so I don't think you need to do it in that way. You can probably just put an exclamation mark in front of
okay,
is
sure.
passcode valid and put that one there. Yeah. And so if the board name isn't there, or
Mm-hmm.
is passcode is not valid,
We're gonna show
then
the alert.
we'll just show the return the alert. Yeah.
Okay, so here, here, and then
And
the
then
rest.
all of that can be executed if that isn't the case. Yeah, here we go.
Okay,
Simple
what
as that.
about this case? This right here, this creates a new board.
Okay, in that case,
I think.
we would
Yeah, it
need
does.
to um,
Does
do a
it?
get board functionality. I thought we
Okay.
already had a get board functionality.
Creates a board in DynamoDB from the board
Oh,
name.
this is post board.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but this was here in the code before because before you would either get the alert if you
Yeah,
picked a board of the same name, otherwise you would create a new board.
yeah, yeah.
So, how do we want to handle creating a new board?
So creating a new board would mean that if the board name isn't in the board names array,
Okay.
and the passcode is basically is not assigned. So
Okay.
instead of having a false password, false would
So
mean
this one we want to say if the board name is included.
okay, so this scenario is for the part where either of them are not valid. So they don't match.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the scenario that we have just done. Open alert. All right.
So okay, hold on. Let me just like write
Yeah.
a sudo here so I can remember. If not, open alert. If there is a board but invalid password.
Or if either of them are invalid.
You mean open the alert if it finds the board in the board's array, but the password is wrong, right?
Yes.
Okay. If there is a matching board but invalid password, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
And vice
so
versa.
so I think here we actually want to do and. Right. Oops. I can't type.
So if you're gonna do and, then that would mean that okay, even if the board, so say the board is present.
Mm-hmm. So this would say the board is present, but the password is wrong.
And the password is wrong. Board is present and the password is wrong. So for them both,
Because in order for there to be a matching board, it has to have a match first, right? This includes a Boolean, right?
okay, let's just put it this way, that to open the alert, both of them have to be false. Which is, yeah,
No,
you're right.
how would that work though? How would that work? Why would it be false if it didn't find a board?
Because the board isn't there. So it would be false.
But then it would open alert. What does the alert say?
So the alert says invalid board or incorrect passcode.
So invalid board.
Yeah, board. Sorry, my bad. Board already exists or invalid passcode.
Gotcha. So in order for the alert to open, we have to find a matching board, but have the wrong passcode.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, it would be and then and. Because
Okay.
if it, say there's a board Tory, then if the board is there, which is Tory, which is fine, it is a match, and the passcode is false, which means that it doesn't match the board's passcode, then yes, open alert.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it would be
Otherwise, if there is not a match and there is no matching password, then we're going to create a new board, right? Okay.
So okay, so if there is already so to
We can
create,
just use a switch actually then. I think is match. So if is match like is the includes, right? Then we say actually I shouldn't use the switch here.
No, it wouldn't work because we have got two Boolean values.
Yeah, we'd have to do a boolean inside of here, and it's
Yeah,
just
yeah,
gonna look
true.
ugly.
A bit
It's not as
confusing as well.
readable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
All right. So in order to, okay, let's come to creating a board now.
okay, creating a board would be the
Is match
case.
is not match.
Yeah, so I was just gonna use that
Mhm.
kind of like the fall through case.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was gonna do is match and is passcode
False.
valid. So like we found the matching board with the right passcode.
Hang
Then
on.
we would
So is that one for creating a creating a board, right?
no. This is to go to the board.
Hmm?
So this is to go to the matching board.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then that would be right. That is a match and the passcode is valid as well.
But I think you're actually, if we do it the way you're suggesting, it makes more sense because the default case is going to the board URL. So then I'm gonna do create board, right? So is not a match and not a valid passcode, right?
Mhm.
Then we're
Yeah.
gonna create the board. Cool. Otherwise, we're just gonna go to the URL.
Yeah, yeah, precisely. And we can do, instead of if and if, we can do one, as in two if else and then else.
If
Else
else,
if.
you want me to do an else if here?
Where was better?
I don't use else if, so I don't care. I just use ifs. I'm lazy.
I see. All right, yeah, that's
If
fine then.
return, if not return.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
depending on the
True.
pattern.
All right, cool.
Um,
So if when we create the board, where is it creating the board actually? Because we need to post
in
the
this
board.
post board here, right here.
Oh, okay, cool. Right, cool.
So,
Yeah.
so we got this. Where's the board names? Okay,
Don't
this makes sense to
don't
put it
forget to
up.
do a return after the second if.
Second if. Which one? In here?
As in on line 41.
Actually, so how this will work is there's a match, there's a passcode, right? We already
Yeah.
did this, so blah blah
Mm-hmm.
blah. That's wrong. Like open the alert.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then if there's no match between the passcode and it doesn't find the board, then it's going to create a new board,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's going to go to the board.
Okay. So you're
And
basically,
even if the password is, if it's in the third case where we don't even need to write it, it's like any of this, as long as it doesn't return out here, it's just going to go to the board name.
Okay, cool. That would
I mean,
make
I
sense.
could write the ifs in here.
No, don't worry, no. That's just extra code which
Sure.
we don't need.
I mean, there could be errors I'm not accounting for here, but
Yeah. All right. Let's. Should we try this?
sure. Let's start
If
her
we
up.
are pretty good with the.
What? What is going on? Oh. Hold on. This will be easier for me. How's the work going? It's getting better.
Pretty good. Yeah. Actually, I've actually started to implement functionalities as well now, which
Oh,
is
great. What are you
fun.
working on?
So I'm working on this kind of getting all as in extra variables from the database and then getting them through Ajax and then displaying them in the HTML. As in, I'm not going in the domain stuff because it's kind of you won't get it.
I don't think I get it already.
I can say I'm just implementing if they how so if there's a function called as in functionality in the system called how to get the dog to bark.
It's easy
For
here.
example, hmm?
It's easy here.
It's what?
I said it's easy to do that here.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't get it. Oh, okay.
It was just a joke
Now
because
I
my
get it.
dog's always barking,
Now I get it. Now I
being
get
a
it.
jerk.
Yeah. So if you how to get the dog barking, but I'm implementing how to get the dog bark, how to get it bark, but also how to make it quiet as well. In a nutshell.
Okay. In the
So
database, you're making functions?
no, 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 no. In the
Oh,
database, so data is coming from the database. I'm just um adding the data I need in the backend, as in
like routes.
service. Yes, server side, and then I'm also um getting them to the front end through Ajax requests and
Okay,
then displaying them in HTML. Yeah.
gotcha. Cool. Why is my why is it not starting for me? That's weird.
Uh, not deprecated. Are you using the live server?
I guess I thought I was. What's
Oh,
going on?
you've done a debugger. That's why.
Yeah, but that's weird. Maybe I didn't configure it correctly. I thought I did. It looks like it's not working. All right, whatever. I'll just skip it then. Thought I set this up. Maybe I didn't save my config. Or do I have to go to home? Nah,
I would think so.
messed up. I think I have the config in
Right.
another
No.
folder. All right,
No, let it load.
I'll just do. I'll just do old. Oh, you know what? It's because I don't have live server running. That's the problem. Well, it's weird. Sometimes it should start up automatically, and sometimes it doesn't.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know
Okay.
why.
How do you
No,
know
it's
it's
because
not?
it's because I use the debugger setup.
I see.
Like I made my own setup to run it live server with the debugger attached.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
There we go.
And it's on the wrong
Perfect.
port. I don't know why it's on 5501. It's weird.
That's all right, mate. As long as it works, it works.
Okay. Do we have a scenario here for me?
Yeah, so I want to test when the board is there, but the password is wrong.
Okay.
So
So what's the
essentially, we're
case?
gonna open up the alert.
Okay.
Hang on,
What's a board?
I'll give you a board. Just bear with me.
Okay.
Getting all boards.
See
Getting
if
all
there's
boards.
any
Yes.
errors here while you're waiting for that.
So there's a board
Uh huh.
called test one,
Looks like
and
there's some
passcode is 1 2 3 4 or
test
5.
one. 1, 2,
3 4.
3, 4. That's tricky. Hey, you guys didn't comment. I made this so
That
that
was pretty cool, though. Pretty cool.
you
Trust me.
guys didn't say, oh, it doesn't work. It's broken. Look, it doesn't delete the last one. Oh, no. Doesn't delete the last one. Okay. I'll have to fix that. All right. I hit go.
And it should open up the. Oh, okay, cool.
So it works.
I told you the right passcode then. All right, cool. So this works. It brings us to the board itself, which is
Okay.
fantastic. Now, if we do a test 2,
A board we don't
and
have.
yeah,
Okay.
and
Damn
enter
validation.
password. This shouldn't work. This should create a board.
Worked.
Yeah, perfect. That works.
Div
Brilliant.
board.
The Avid board.
You want? Is Avid board still there? Or did it get
No,
cleared?
no, it's not. It's not
Is
there.
test board gone?
You can use it. Test board is in. Hang on. Guild
I can.
boards.
Okay, so I'll do test 1 and put the wrong password.
Yeah. Do that.
What already exists or increase? So it looks like it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
We don't
Cool.
even need to write tests for this.
No, we're not gonna write test. That's just. To be honest, I thought I was gonna write extensive unit tests in this employment, but apparently that's not even the case.
What in your job? You're saying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you don't. Yeah, I've heard like some places they don't. Some places do testing. Some places they just hand it to like QA.
Yeah, because I guess the thing is that changes and functionalities need to happen really fast paced in the
Right.
team that I'm in. So testing is just basically okay. You made it work, test it yourself, and just release it. Simple, as in do a code review from
Mm-hmm.
one of the senior devs, and then get released. So
And
I really thought it was
there's a
gonna be
QA team, right, at work.
yeah.
Yeah. So then they just say, "Hey, your code's bust. Here's
Yeah.
here's your pieces of your code left."
There's your pieces, your ashes of the code.
Yeah.
Get them to stick together.
Yeah, that's cool. Like, yeah, I mean, writing tests is actually a good skill for sure, but it's kind of something you have to go out of your way to want to do
Yeah.
it, I guess.
True.
But it is a good skill
Absolutely.
for sure. And I'm probably gonna take heat for that last comment.
And it's about to come. Wait for it. Wait for it. Anyway, yeah. So this is looking pretty good. How about if we go into the test one board and actually create some notes and then save it?
Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm. Press go.
I hit enter. That's weird. Is the enter broken now?
False.
I put the wrong passcode. Oh, weird. It works. Why? There's a bug. For sure there's a bug.
No. Be calm and then enter the passcode. True. Yeah, here you go. It was you, Tori.
Yeah, no, I must have something weird must that. I don't know. It's probably my code I wrote for that thing. It's probably junk. Okay, so the WebSocket URL is bust. I think we need a new one.
Okay, yes, I will get you the new bust. I like how you is bust.
It shouldn't stop us from creating notes though. I am a new note. Let's bring in some emojis. All right.
Enthusiastic one.
Emojipedia.
Oh, was there Emojipedia as well now? Interesting.
What do you want? Enthusiastic?
What are you thinking about the spelling?
Yeah, absolutely. I was like, I don't know how to spell this word at all. No results found.
Just do any, man.
Fire.
Just do any. Trust me.
Let's do some fire.
Fire.
Oh, by the way, check out this. This is funny. I wanted to start with this, man. I forgot. I was gonna code.
What is it?
Wait for it. I think it's loading it up. Power mode.
Ooh, 13. I see. Power mode.
Let's see settings. Open settings UI. Go to the power mode settings.
Yeah.
Control whether the combo timer. Let's show the combo timer. It's gonna reset in 5 seconds. Let's turn up the shake intensity of the screen.
What are we doing, by the way?
You're like, what is going on? Particles. You pick. What do you want? Fireworks, flames, magic, clippy, simple rift, or exploding rift?
Do fireworks.
Okay. Fireworks it is. All right.
I don't even know.
So now when we code.
Interesting. Now when we code.
Yeah, and you can. It's probably bad on the stream, but the screen is shaking whenever I type. Kind of like a video game.
Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah, that makes sense. That's actually pretty cool.
It's called power mode. All right, I'll disable it because it's messing with me right now.
Man, no one
All right.
messes with Twitter.
I'm a new note.
All right, I'm gonna go and check the note if it's got it in the database.
I didn't
I am
post
a new
it yet.
note.
Hold on. Didn't get posted. I
Did
am
you
a new white note.
did you
Fire.
post another? Okay, two boards. That's fine. We have two boards.
Looks like it got posted.
Okay, let me get the board. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Fire. Okay, you posted on the color was white, and you posted on test one. I am a new white note fire on
Yeah.
burning.
Is it work? Is it there?
Yes, it's there.
Okay.
Now how about if we exit it and come back to this board
I
again?
saved the position. You want to
Yeah,
exit and come back?
yeah.
So all
Let's
we
try
gotta do
that.
is reload the page. I didn't save the
Oh,
location.
no, from the home.html, I wanted to come back.
All right. Why did this not save the location? It's weird.
Apparently it did. Top and left.
See? What's up with that? It's weird.
Scanned one. Open that one up.
Open what up?
Open the array up, as in the object, wherever that is, on the right in the console. Ah, here we go.
Here's the
It doesn't
password.
have the position. Ah, seriously. Oh no, that should be fine because it's hashed. But we would have to get rid of the passcode field
Yeah, we
completely
want to
though.
get rid of all the
Yeah.
passcode from
Hmm.
getting on the front end because you can just get bcrypt and start ramming it or whatever you
Yeah,
need.
exactly. But yeah, it's interesting how it's not showing an. Oh, it's showing the position.
So the
Okay.
position is wait, is
58 and
that the
46. 466.
what is the position here? Do I get an update? No, I'd have to log it here. Um,
Oh, here you
what
go.
is? Here's the
That was
position.
it.
Okay, so it's this. Let's
It
save it. What does it save as? It saved the position. Okay.
saved
Why?
as minus 2918. Top is minus 29.
Yeah. Let's preserve the log. So let's see what happens when I refresh the page. Huh. See, it's
Oh, here you
weird.
go.
It's
Yeah.
weird, but it's sometimes save like I think it has something to do with DynamoDB.
Okay. Let's probably come back to that.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm gonna make sure I log it in Jira so
I
we don't
I
forget.
I don't know much about DynamoDB, but it might have something to do with a race condition. Maybe I wrote that in Jira like a month or two ago.
I think you did, yeah. So we will find that out from there as well.
I
But I
wonder if
really,
it's I wonder if it's trying to write in like yeah, why would that happen? Oh, you know why? Because it's probably in a list and something's going wrong with it updating it.
uh-huh. Yeah, that could be the case, to be honest.
Cause all right, well, I'll forget about it for now. It's not my problem. It's not my ticket.
Huh?
It's not my ticket. I don't care.
It's our ticket.
Do you have the WebSocket? endpoint. I'll update that too.
Yes, I was gonna give that to
My
you,
bad.
but
I got so distracted. Toys.
come on, bro, come on.
What are you gonna have for dinner tonight, Zane?
Dinner tonight. To be honest, haven't figured it out yet.
Oh no. I have a tuna steak that I'm gonna cook.
Ooh, ho ho ho!
Yeah,
Nice.
with some
You
brown.
like seafood,
Hmm.
don't you?
I
You
do.
like seafood, don't you?
I do.
Mm.
Do you not?
I love seafood. Come on.
Oh yeah.
England's national dish is fish and chips.
But what's the fish? Like, what is the typical fish you would eat?
Cod.
With cod. Okay, yeah. Fried cod.
Any cod.
But it's typically like breaded
Yeah,
or
yeah.
what? Yeah.
Bad idea. Okay, cool. So the WebSocket is this when it comes. Prod. There you go. That's the WebSocket for you, sir.
There she is. Or she
Okay,
blows.
cool.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Um, that's cool. That's cool. So I guess we just have to kind of focus on the bugs that we have now since they're all logged in on Jira. We can just focus on them and get them rid out. So when at
We'll
the end
get
of
to
month,
those.
yeah, you don't like bugs, don't you?
We'll get to those.
Oh, we'll get it. You'll get to them, Zane.
Put it
You'll
on the
get
to
to
do
them.
pile, man. Yeah, just put it on the bottom. If we get it, we get it.
Yeah,
Right?
okay.
Just put it with the
Let them be buried
Should
under the
we
features.
so are we using Jira for issues as well, or
Yeah.
should we can you okay, so we're not putting issues on GitHub? On the
Do
repo?
you want to use? Do you want to use that?
I don't it's however you want to
Then
track the bugs.
I think Jira is the best,
Okay.
as in tracking thinkers at work. We also use that, and it's really convenient.
What if you
So,
wrote on GitHub, if you solve this issue, I will order you a kebab?
huh?
What if on GitHub, yeah, you give a bounty for the bug fixes?
Then you know
Bug bounty.
what's gonna happen?
Yeah?
Jack Dev is gonna come open all the bugs in PRs. Here you
You're
go,
gonna so
Zane.
you're gonna have to open your own kebab shop.
Yeah. To sell him. I'll definitely come bankrupt then. Because I know he's gonna be the first person. Alright. How many kebabs do I need? 3 per day? Okay, that's 15 bucks in 5 days, and he would probably do double that. I bet you. And then and then I've got all the PRs opened, and
You're
I'm
just
like,
working for kebabs at that point.
yeah, yeah. Uh, that'd be fun though.
Okay.
Uh, um, right. So for this one, now we need to deploy it in the front end as well. And from what remember, you were saying that pipeline should be broken because we changed, as
Oh,
in we had
yeah.
to deploy the stack.
Yeah.
So what would we need to do to get that up and running? If you can guide me, yeah, I'm more than happy to it and just
Um,
bang it out.
let's see. I
Or
think
Or how?
I think in GitHub there are some secrets that you need to set. Remember, I set them, but I don't have access again. So
Yeah.
those need to be set because I think the CloudFront distribution ID changed. I think that's the only thing, if I
Mm-hmm.
remember off the top of my head. Other than that, it should be okay. Do I have the... I do not have it
Uh,
in this folder, but
I'm
if
just
I...
thinking about how
Yeah.
much stuff we need to merge.
Oh, well, we're not going to start that right now.
No. We're not. We're not gonna start them. I think it might be a good idea to, as in, for me and you to sit down this weekend, just bang them out in probably 1 hour
Okay.
max,
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
and then we
We
can.
can... if can do that on Sunday if that's good for you. Saturday I'm out
Some.
all day. Well,
Yeah. Okay.
maybe
Right.
until the evening. Like I'm
Or how
definitely
about
gone.
if we do it on? Actually, tomorrow's Friday. Let's do it on Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Scrambler
Yeah. I'm gonna
enhancement.
open my GitHub as well to check.
Yeah, you'll need AWS too.
Okay. Right.
Um, so if I go to the
Local.
workflow, the GitHub workflow is what controls the deployment. So
Right.
right now, if you look at, I don't, is my screen too small?
Yeah.
Is
Okay,
it
here we go
better?
now. Okay.
So this is the condition where it will run this whole CI CD process.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So right now, if you push to main, or if you push to the connect WebSocket branch, it'll run this. I wrote not sure about this part. It's funny. I
That's right.
think,
Yeah.
can we run this action manually too? Um, yeah, so you can run it manually too without updating, but so you can manually run it. But if you want it to run when you're pushing to a particular branch, like you can add the deb branch here or the branch
Okay.
we're currently on.
Tori, let me
Yeah.
stop you because it's all going off my head.
Okay.
Can you, as in, tell me the exact steps?
Oh, sure. So what do we need? We need the distribution ID from CloudFront. This is not going to change. Wait, did the S3 bucket stays the same, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, it's the same.
And then the role is the same. So yeah, all we need is this new distribution ID from CloudFront, and then you
New
go to the
distribution.
repo, and then you go to, you have an extra tab up here called settings or something, and inside there is secrets.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then you just
Right.
put that in there for the AWS CloudFront distribution key.
Oh, I already have them.
No, but you need to change it. You need to update it because when you took down the stack, unless, wait, was CloudFront not part of the stack?
CloudFront was not part of the stack. I can't remember now. I don't think it was part of the stack.
No, then it probably didn't change. So can we make this run from the branch? All right, let me try. Let me see if I can get it. I'm going to push this code. All right, what did we do? What did we do? I forget.
Apply scenarios for the board creation.
Okay,
The
cool. The
board.
WebSocket's open.
Okay.
What'd you say? Apply conditions for creating board
For manipulating the board.
for
Easy.
minute.
Yeah.
So vague. It's very vague though.
I know.
Oh, I did not want to create a PR. No, I did not. So I'm gonna push this here. Right. Let me close this. All right, let's push. Close this. Come on, close. Hello. Hello. Yo, why are you taking so long? So weird. What is going on? Oh, finally. Okay, jeez. That took a while. My goodness.
That's alright.
Okay, so let me see if that workspace folder is in here. And then I can just easily update. Otherwise, I can update it on GitHub. And then I can just manually run it. And I just got to add the branch for the one we currently want to deploy from, which is the get boards functionality. Oh, we do here. Perfect. All right. All right. So this.
I don't know why more than.
I named this. What's that? I think I was drunk when I named this file.
What did you name it as?
Connect dash WebSocket. I started with some camel case stuff, but didn't end it in camel case. I don't know.
Oh, I see.
Definitely drunk.
Stuff.
Don't. What is it? What is that? There's like a joke about drinking alcohol and coding the curve. If I think of it. All right, so we're on the get board functionality branch. I think I need to update this on the. I think I need to update the template file on the main branch, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try it here, and maybe it'll work, but I don't think it is. Get board functionality.
Right.
That's spelled right.
How about if we add another one? So we can just have two branches, dev and main.
Okay, but then I can't deploy our latest unless we merge into dev.
Yes, that's the plan, that we're gonna merge everything into
Okay,
dev.
so I won't deploy this to AWS then.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
So just have dev
And main. Yes. So main is essentially the prod, and dev is obviously where it's called.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Maybe
I think can we do another branch called UAT? So
UAT.
I'm getting
You got
excited
any
now.
more actuallys left in there? UAT, like that?
Yeah, yeah,
Lowercase? I don't know if it's case
yeah.
sensitive.
That's fine.
Okay. All right, I'll push this as well.
So all our changes from dev, we're going to user acceptance tests, and in the UAT, we're going to be doing all the testing, and then once the test pass, then we're going to be merging them with main.
Okay. So then when you push, so the way this works is whenever you push anything, push any changes or merge, basically you do a merge or you push to dev, you push to main, you push to UAT, then it's going to run this deployment and push the code from that branch up to S3. So that's how it works.
Ah, so that's how it was. Can we possibly do in a way that only allow certain branch to push the
Yeah, yeah,
code
yeah.
to S3?
Yeah, so you would do like if you only wanted main, you would just do main.
Oh, right, I see. Then just leave it basically as main, just one branch, I would
Okay, but
say.
we won't have a live site until somebody goes and pushes because I think the site is down because
Is it down?
yeah, it's down after you deleted the stack.
Ah, right, I see.
I don't know if it's back up. I think it's down,
Yeah,
but
it's down.
the URLs and stuff inside the app would have changed. Yeah, it's
Yeah, yeah,
404 now.
yeah. True, true. Okay. So basically, the entire purpose of this is to push the code to S3.
Yeah, or you could just do it manually. That's fine. But this was supposed to be like a way to just add some changes and then push it up to S3 so you didn't have to do the whole process from your, from the CLI. But I can
Yeah,
I can do
yeah,
I can push it here from the CLI. Like this is the command.
okay, cool.
I just
No,
need the name of the bucket because I don't remember what it is. Do you want me to push this up?
that's fine. In that case, we can just have one branch, which is the main. That's all.
Okay.
And then when we merge stuff from dev into main, then it would ultimately come on the site.
Okay. Yeah, I think what you could do is have like these like if you were using this for production, then you could have like one S3 CloudFront for your production and then one for dev, right? Or whatever. But we're not doing that. It costs extra money.
Yeah, yeah. We just want to remain on a really kind of mini scale at the
Really,
moment.
really small scale.
Mhm.
Super,
Exactly. Cool.
super.
So that is done.
Oh shit! It's late. Dude, it's
Whoa,
late.
10:40 already. All right,
All right,
let's
that's
just
done.
call it a night. It's been a really productive session, and I'm gonna add a bug. Wow, We need to get rid of some Jira tickets. Honestly, I think there are many that we've already done, but they're still there. So we
Yeah, well,
need to
those will
come
never end, so don't worry about it.
back. True though. True.
Uh-oh, I got a merge conflict. I think it's because I just undid my last commit.
Ah, right. I see.
Yeah, I don't need you. Go. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Got
Create a bug. Create a
accept,
typo.
compare, current change is accept the current change. Thank you. Love
Um.
VS Code. Thank you for making the merge conflict way easier.
Yeah. Yeah. That's really helpful, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Prompt board and notes.
Okay, except something else.
Huh?
What now? You have not
Get
concluded your
your.
merge. I did conclude my merge.
Hang on. Go back on the merge.
Please commit your changes.
Oh, you haven't
Unfinished merge.
committed
I
them.
did commit it. What is it talking about?
It's not committed.
It is
You
so
haven't pressed the
committed.
tick button.
I did. See?
There are
There
no
are no
changes.
changes to commit.
Did you add the changes first?
Yeah. This is why I
Are
can't do
you
it again, man.
sure? Terminal, Tori. Terminal is the best.
Cherry get board functionality. Tags origin. You have not concluded your merge. Merge head exists.
Go down.
Please commit your changes before merging. Exiting because of unfinished merge.
It might not have been done.
That's odd. Alright. Nope. I lose. I lose.
Okay.
Alright. I don't know what happened. And
It says
honestly,
on the messages, Tori. Come on.
what?
Oh, we got this. We got this.
Yeah,
Try to
it's
commit
yeah.
again.
What do I? Any suggestions?
Okay, do to Scrambler enhancement into keyboard function
I
merge.
did merge it.
Keyboard functionality of keyboard functionality has recent self. Yeah, here you go.
That's weird because I fixed the
Count is
merge.
okay, get do a git pull the from the branch.
Okay. Yeah, it
If you have
won't let
not
me.
included your merge, please commit your changes. Alright, commit the changes.
I already did. It says there's no commits.
You have not concluded your merge.
Oh, here, merging. So how do I commit a merge then?
Have you got any head or anything in the code? If you want to, if you go down
Go down to where?
in the code, scroll down in the code.
Oh no, there isn't anything.
No, the code,
Code?
not the terminal, the code.
No, it's gone. It's gone.
Save it.
I already did.
Going to difference. There are no. Hang on. Do sync.
Yeah, this
Try
is
some
what's gonna
changes.
throw an error. See, same message as we got in the console.
Open git log. Okay, for each process.
Git
Git
pull.
pull tags will
Error, you
return.
have not concluded your merge that exists. Hint, please commit your changes before merging.
Do you wanna maybe undo your changes? If there are not many.
Sure. We can end the show. I'll figure this out, man. I don't want to keep you.
No, let's have it, man. I'm kind of enjoying the Git problem solving.
You are alone, my friend.
All right.
You are
Can I
alone
have
on
the
that
control
one.
then? All right. Let's just end it
Undo
here,
the
but I
merge and
can
pull
help you.
again. Okay. Well, I guess, is there a git merge command? Is that a command? Thought I already did that. Oh, there's a git merge abort. See what? Let me just mess with my git. Hey, there we go. All right,
It's
progress. All right, when I click
aborted
this
the merge.
button, when I do a git pull, there's gonna be a merge conflict. Aha. So.
Okay. How
I want to
did you
accept,
accept the change? Uh-huh.
because
Accept
all I
current
want is main.
change. Go
Automatic
down.
merge failed. That's why, because VS Code failed me.
Fix
That is
config
weird.
and then commit the
Git merge force.
No. What are we doing?
I'm just looking at good old Stack Overflow. And I don't know why it's not showing on the screen. That's weird. Come on. There we go.
If you show you've already resolved it, then you can actually get status.
All right, let me just try committing it. Git commit dot not do partial commit during a merge. You always win, Git.
you you're
always
doing
win.
everything. See, it says you're merging at the moment. So if
Yeah.
you wanna copy and paste this automatic merge fill blah blah into Google, what does it say?
Yeah, so here some people said
That's the wrong one. That's the wrong one.
what do you mean?
That's the wrong error that's showing you. It's not showing you that error.
Well, it's not just that error, but it seems like other people had similar. But yeah, I can go look at that one more specifically. Automatic merge failed.
Yeah.
Is the automatic merge failing that part of VS Code, or is that just part of Git, like not being able to merge the code.
Let's find
Yeah,
out.
it's just a merge conflict. So this is just, this looks like it just means it's a merge conflict.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really pay attention to this
Create
get
a merge.
logs. Identify a merge conflict. You have unmerged paths. Fix, run git commit. Use git merge abort to abort the merge. Unmerged paths. Blah blah blah.
Cat.
I
Okay,
did
so
that.
you did that.
I did
Head,
that.
new branch.
Okay, git commit, merge and resolve git commit, but it won't. But it wouldn't let me. Like,
Do you want to do maybe I'll check if this works. If not, do you want to do git merge abort and we can start from
yeah,
scratch? Fix them up in your working error. No. Yeah. Oh, are you sure that you've only got one file to merge or multiple files to merge? It's showing in the merge changes another file as well.
where? No, it says this file right here.
Which yeah,
That's the one I'm on.
which I've already opened. Unmodified.
Huh. That's weird, man. I don't get it. Are you sure you want to?
With merge conflict? Okay, there must be something we are missing.
Yeah, like another merge.
Well,
I don't.
did you save it? You just did, isn't it?
Adjusted, but I did that before, and
Try
it's
now.
still. I did save it before though. Okay, but here's where it gave me errors. Yeah.
You have not concluded the merge. Do I get merge?
Ah. It's trying everything.
You're not
Ah.
Please commit your changes.
Ah.
No.
Right.
You're right.
Let's try git commit. Git old commit here. Oh, it took it. I think it's done, finally. Well, I don't know what the problem was before. So weird. 30 minutes
There you go.
later.
We got there at the end. Well done. Fantastic. All right, cool. So this is done. Let's do the honors because it's already 10 to 11.
Yeah. All right. So today we just added a simple feature to the client side of the code, which is basically just the get functionality to send us to the boards page if we have the right board in passcode. Otherwise, create the new board and go to the page. Otherwise, say there is no board or the passcode is invalid.
Fantastic.
Something like
That's looking pretty good. So yeah, just to summarize what Tori just said, basically making sure that we don't allow the users to access other users' codes, as in passcode, the boards, and we only continue with them if both of the board and the passcode is valid. Right, so that's pretty much brings us to the kind of end of critical development stage. And now what we will be doing is going back and fixing the bugs, which will be exciting.
I think we need to add one more thing.
What's that?
So when you click not the bug, but when you click save, don't
The
you need to
position.
add no, not the bug. Don't you need to add a feature where if you click save, then you need to enter the passcode? Like to save all the notes. I'm sorry, I wasn't being specific. When you're on the board page and you click save.
Probably not, because I did think of a workaround. Is that we won't show this. Actually, yeah, that wouldn't be a workaround. That would be a long way around. And yeah, you may be right. There we need to have a passcode when we try to create save the notes. So yes, but that
Okay.
shouldn't be hard at all, though, isn't
No,
it?
no, no,
Pretty
I don't
simple.
think so.
Hmm. All right, guys. If you want to see how we do that, join us tomorrow, same time, same place, and
A different task
that is the one, baby. All
without
right.
Git.
Have a good night, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.
Cheers. Have a great night. Thank you.